My name is Sanjana and welcome to my channel Life Aajkal with Sanjana, and as promised I am back with the part 2 of the home decor series.
Drum rolls, please.
So in my last video I shared with you the items that I got from Banjara Market, and I think it will be super helpful for someone who is looking for beautiful home decor items that are cheap in price, not quality. So today in this video I have items to share from Delhi Haat, Sadar Bazaar, an online store, and few items from Home 360 and Home Center. And I really feel that adding these little items that I'm gonna share with you today really adds up to the aesthetics game of your place. All the items that I'm gonna share with you today, I have done a lot of research. Like I have checked out many different websites, online stores, visited many different markets, and yes, I have done a lot of home stuff shopping. None of the products that I share with you or the video content that I put up on this channel till now is sponsored. These are the products that I genuinely love, and these are like my ideas, how you can use these products to decorate your place. And I think it's gonna be a long video again, but I promise that I'll try to keep it short. अगर मैं ज़्यादा भावनाओं में ना बहूँ कुछ आइटम को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए. So yes, also guys, I'll leave all the location links, website links, product links in the description below. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So we'll first talk about my favorite, Delhi Haat. And if you are from Delhi and if you have ever been to Delhi, you must know about Delhi Haat. It is actually one of the tourist places as well. For all of you who don't know about Delhi Haat is like a food and craft bazaar, which is a treasure house for Indian culture, handicrafts, ethnic cuisine. It has like so much to offer. It displays the richness of Indian culture, and its ambience is like a rural heart village kind of market. And one will find the stall selling there a lot of handmade pieces like handicrafts, and a lot of junk jewelry, silver jewelry, ethnic wear, footwear, and food stalls selling some local delicious food from various regions of India. So I have been to this market many times in past, but this time I specially went to purchase home decor pieces, and I'm very happy with all the items that I have got. So yes, let me start by showing you. First item that I got from Delhi Haat are these beautiful puppets. I mean, just look at them, how beautiful these are. And ये एक राजा रानी का जोड़ा है. And so I used to hang them in my balcony, and I think they look like super pretty. But actually you can hang them anywhere, like in your gallery or outside your house. Also I got them just for ₹50. So yeah, and so yes, super happy with this. Now for my next item, I have these two beautiful handmade paintings. I mean, just look at them, how beautiful they are. Just look at the details. I mean, the girl who was selling it was actually making it in front of me, and it's so intrinsic work, and so beautiful, like so colorful. And yes, they have like a wide variety of designs, and you can get in like various sizes. I saw like 4 to 5 stalls selling these kind of paintings. They have paintings of Lord Krishna, sun, and lots of auspicious designs like owls, fish, and peacocks. I mean, like super beautiful, super colorful. And so I used to hang these on one of my pillars, and I think they look super beautiful, and it adds colors to my whole white and brown looking living room. If you ever visit to Delhi Haat, then you can definitely check these out. For the next two items that I have from Delhi Haat, I think it will be much better for you to see them live. So yes, let's go.
I got 2 cotton and bright colored bed sheets from Delhi Haat, and I wanted bright colors for Diwali. I really like the print on these, and I feel cotton bed sheets are very easy to wash and maintain. Also, the cloth is very, the cotton is very fine, and they are quite big in size and will fit your king size bed. The other one is this, and it has beautiful tassels all around it, and I really like the Jaipuri print on this as well. And I got both of these at ₹650 each. So yes, love it.
And the last item that I have from Delhi Haat is my favorite, and I genuinely feel that it changed the whole look of my living room. And let's see what it is.
So first of all, इसको ऐसे रोल करके वीडियो लेने में काफ़ी टेक्स लगे. So shout out to my brother who helped me in this. And as you can see, this is a beautiful dari, and its size is 6 by 4 feet. I really love the pattern on it, and I got it for ₹3,500 after a lot of negotiation. And yes guys, I researched a lot like Fab India Home and other online websites, and the dari of this size and quality was very expensive. So yes, love it. And the dari is further bordered with tassels at the edges of its its width, and it is also reversible and can be used at both sides. It is perfectly suited for use all around the year. And yes guys, I really love how it changed the whole feel of my living room, and it made it look like so elegant and so cozy. So yes, love this purchase.
So next I have only one decor piece to share with you from Sadar Bazaar, and guys, for all of you who don't know, Sadar Bazaar is one of the largest wholesale market for household items in Delhi, and I think it needs whole another video to talk about Sadar Bazaar, but let me share with you one beautiful decor piece that I got from there, and it's right behind me. It's the beautiful Buddha idol with the fountain, and yeah, let me give you a closer look.
So as you can see, this Buddha idol is like so gorgeous, and it looks like so beautiful with the water flowing and LED lights. And I got this at just rupees 1600 from Sadar Bazaar. And for this quality guys, I searched many other brands in markets, even online, and it was quite expensive there. The sound of falling water from the water fountain is believed to help soothe and calm the ambience, and also brings positive aura to the environment. And I feel that it is also an elegant option for gifting purposes.
So the next two items that I'm going to share with you are from an online store called Tijori. It has some beautiful modern ethnic products. So if you visit their website, you will see more of ethnic fusion kind of apparel pieces, footwear, silver jewelry, and some wellness products as well. And our today's topic of interest, my favorite home decor items. So the first item that I have from Tijori are these beautiful looking cushion covers, which I absolutely love and adore, and they are made up of brocade fabric. So they come in like a pair of two. I got these red ones for 400 for a pair, and I got these yellow ones for I think 450 or 475 per pair. And one thing I really liked about these, that they don't have any zip, so sometimes the zip comes off and then it's a trouble and all. One backstory before purchasing these cushions guys, I first placed an order for brocade cushions from Amazon, and the cushions that came were like such a bad quality. And guys, one thing with this kind of heavy looking design is that that either it can look very classy or it can look like very cheap. So yeah, I mean, so that's why when I saw these on Tijori, I was a little skeptical because these were definitely expensive than what I ordered from Amazon. But yeah, I mean, I took a chance, and I think I don't regret it. It's totally worth it. The quality of the cloth is like super nice, and the golden thread work also does not look like too much. And I feel that they go so well with the subtle color fabric furniture that I have. And yeah, these are the yellow ones, and they have like a full golden thread work all over it. So yes, they go so well with the subtle color furniture that I have, and it looks like super colorful and super royal to me. They have like emerald green, very bright blue. So yes, a wide variety of beautiful looking cushion covers, so you can check their website out. Next item that I have are these set of 6 table mats with one table runner. As you can see, these are made up of bamboo sticks, and they have like a cotton cloth and a brown cotton thread all over it. And I really love the striped pattern of it and how elegant it makes my dining table look. So for cleaning these, we generally wipe them off with a wet cloth, or we just dust it off. Got these on 1090 or like close to 1100, and I'll leave it in the description below. So yeah, I am like super happy with these. Actually super happy with all the purchases. The next 3 items that I have are from Home Center, and everyone knows about Home Center. So you get all kinds of household stuff, furniture, kitchen stuff there. So yes, I would agree that the items that I'm going to share with you are a little on an expensive side, and I'll try to find the links of the similar looking items and put it in the description below for you guys. So the first item that I have is this beautiful looking serving tray, and as you can see, it's actually wooden, and yeah, I really love the pattern on it. I think it's like super pretty, super beautiful, and like ethnic traditional kind of pattern. The size of the tray is also perfect. So yes, nothing bad to say about this. The quality is very nice. The next 2 items that I have also have like a similar pattern like we saw on tray, and one of them is these coasters. So yes, this is like a set of 6 coasters, and they come with like a holder. So yes, as you can see, they are like so beautiful, have like a wooden finish, and yep. nothing bad to say about them. And similarly, the other item that I have is this tissue box, and it also has like a similar kind of pattern and a color scheme going on like we had on coasters and the tray. So yes, this also looks like super pretty on my dining table. And so yes, they are a little on like an expensive side, and yeah, I think in home center things are usually good quality, but like on a pricier side. So yes. So lastly, the next items that I have are tea light holders and scented candles. And I think guys, candles play a very important role in decorating your place and making it look like super beautiful. Yes, these days I'm like full on a candle shopping spree. I think I have candles from pretty much every range, like from a very lower end to like a higher end. I think the most expensive ones are from Bath and Body Works, and I have done like a full video on it, so you can watch it. So this one is from Home Center. As you can see, it's like a big huge candle. And the next ones I have are these candles, and so you'll get like a huge variety of candles online as well, like on Amazon and all. And lastly, I have these two tea light candle holders. So as you can see, this one is also very pretty, and it looks very pretty when we light candle inside it. And the other one is also like a tea light candle holder. We have already finished the candle that was inside it. So, and yeah, I think wherever you place these tea light holders or your candles on your tabletops, like anywhere, like on shelves, I think they make that space look like really beautiful and sets the whole ambience and all. So yeah, I really like them. So yes, with this we have come to an end of this video. I really like all my purchases, but my favorites are from Dilli Haat and Sadar Bazaar because I got them at insanely good prices. So let me know in the comment section below which items were your favorite, and also let me know if you're liking this series and want me to add more videos to it, want me to make like a part 3, part 4, because I would love to do that. And yeah, also let me know what more videos you want me to do on my channel. And yes, with this, you know the drill. Please like and share this video with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also because it's free. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye.